Good morning everyone. Myself Hema. I am the Assistant Lecturer of Computer Science in Sir CRED College, Elu. Today I would like to tell about the topic is arrays in C. Arrays in C. Let's talk about what are the topics in arrays. What is meant by an array? Array is a collection of similar data elements which are stored in consecutive memory allocation. Memory location means at a time it can be stored in number of elements in memory location. So it is used by the arrays. Let's talk about the syntax of an array. In array, syntax is data type, variable name, size. This is the syntax of array. For example, we can take integer, variable name is a, size we can take 5. This is the syntax of an array. What are the types of an array? Next one, types of an array. There are two types of an array. First one dimensional array, and second one two-dimensional array. In one dimensional array, we can take the number of elements can be stored in row size values only, stores in memory location. In two-dimensional array, we can store the elements two ways, rows and columns in memory location, row size and column size. This is the syntax of two-dimensional array. First we can take how to declare an array. Declaration we can see. Declaration. In declaration of an array is data type, variable name, again we take example, size, declaration. Actually arrays is a derived data type. Example of derived data type. In this derived data type, we can learn in C programming language. There are three types of data types is there. First one, primitive data type. Second one, derived data type. And third one, user defined data type. First we have to take primitive data type. In this primitive data type, syntax is data type, variable name only. This is the syntax of primitive data type. Example, integer a. In this a stores only memory location, takes the one value only. This is the addressing location of a. In this a, we can store only one value. And next one, derived data type. We can take the derived data type is an example of an array. It can store a number of elements stores in memory location. So we have to take in this derived data type. derived data type integer. We have to choose some value in declaration. 5. This is the declaration of a syntax in arrays. Next one, how to initialize the values in array. Let's see how to initialize the values in memory location. In this declaration, we have to choose the only values. In initialization, data type, variable name, size equal to, this is the syntax of initialization of an array. Syntax. Example, integer, variable name a, size, we have to take 3 number value. In these brackets, we have to choose a size of an array elements. So 1, 2, 3. These 3 elements are stored in memory location in array. Let's see how to store the values in memory location. Representation of an array. This is the representation of an array. We have to take in 3 elements only. In this array, this is a base address and A of 1, A of 2, A of 3. These all are the address of memory location. Let's see how to store the values in memory location. A of 0, int A of 5. We can store the elements like this. These elements are stored in array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How it can be stored in? In this array, representation starts with 0 and ends with size minus 1. We have to take in the 5 elements. Size means 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, 4. So we have to choose A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. This is a representation of an array. Next, we have to take the next section. Thanking you everyone.